हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू दिस वीडियो। सो रोहतक की एग्जाम काफ़ी पास में आ गई है। सो लेट्स डिस्कस द वीआरसी स्ट्रैटेजी। ओके, फॉर रोहतक एग्जाम विल डू दिस वीडियो इन डिटेल। तो ऑब्वियसली हम लोग वीआरसी का एक पैटर्न देखेंगे, है ना। विल सी द पैटर्न व्हाट इज देयर फॉर वीआरसी, विल सी हाउ डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस रिक्वायर डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अप्रोचेस, एंड विल ब्रेक डाउन द syllabus, will break down recent trends, and you know what actually you should focus on in Rohtak exam. So, IPMAT Rohtak, like you know, the number of questions is 40 for QA, 40 for LR, and 40 for verbal. Equal distribution, and combined time is 120 minutes. Correct? So there is no, sectional timing as such. You can move between the sections. Marking scheme is +4 -1. This is same as IPMAT Indore. Okay. So all sections are going to have equal weightage. Now, what does VRC actually include? RCs, okay, but RCs are, easy as compared to Indore exam. Okay, they are not very heavy, they are not very dense, they are quite breezy read as compared to IPMAT Indore exam. Grammar and sentence correction, this would be same as IPMAT Indore. Vocabulary including synonym, antonyms, and usage, okay, less contextual vocab. Okay. Sentence completion and fill in the blanks would be there. Parajumble and sentence arrangement. Parajumbles are also easy as compared to IPMAT Indore exam. Okay. Now, why I am comparing to IPMAT Indore? Because IPMAT Indore is one of the most difficult exams, correct, for UG courses. So it should be the benchmark for us to compare. So overall, if you ask about VRC section is going to be a lot easier than the IPMAT Indore exam. Let's go ahead. Now, cutoff trends. Obviously, in order to have a goal in mind, in order to set a target for yourself, you should be able to, set it very properly based on correct information. Let's see that now. Now, see, minimum cutoff marks for female, male, and total. Okay. Now, see, for general category, it is 381. Okay, 381, and then it goes. ठीक है. सो फीमेल के लिए दिया है, मेल के लिए और टोटल के लिए देखा है. ठीक है. अब देखो, लेट्स कंसिडर 310 एंड 144. दीज आर मिनिमम मार्क्स. ओके, दीज आर मिनिमम मार्क्स. मतलब आपको कट ऑफ अगर क्लियर करना है तो मिनिमम आपको इतने मार्क्स मिलने ही चाहिए. एज यू कैन सी कैटेगरी वाइज सारा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन दिया है आपको. ठीक है. ईडब्ल्यूएस दिया है, डीएपी जनरल कैटेगरी, डीएपी एससी, एवरीथिंग इज गिवन. ठीक है. काफी इंफॉर्मेटिव टेबल है ये. So whichever category you belong to, you can see the minimum cutoff marks for gender also and for total also. Okay. So these are the cutoff trends. Let's see, year wise trends क्या है. Okay. अब देखो 2025 में जनरल कैटेगरी गया था 381. ठीक है. और बाकी फिर थोड़े कम कम जाते हैं. ठीक है. 2024 में 301. 2023 में देखो सबसे ज्यादा गया था, 409 गया था. बट फिर वो एकदम 409 से एकदम 301 आ गया. डू यू सी द काइंड ऑफ वेरिएशन दैट यू आर गेटिंग? अगेन फ्रॉम 301 इट मूव टू 381. करेक्ट. 306 to 409, 409 to 301, again 256 to 309. See the kind of variations you're getting. So my point is, you can't have a fixed target in your mind. Okay, you just need to aim for the maximum. Okay. Now, in order to aim for the maximum, we should be able to know the exact kind of questions that would be asked, exact kind of difficulty level that would be asked. Correct. So the general trend that you can see is there's lot of variation. You can't just have a fixed target in mind. You need to have that kind of fluidity. Now see how VRC has behaved over the years. The pattern is very consistent. Pattern is consistent. Okay. Cutoffs fluctuate, but pattern is consistent. Okay. Competition does not. Cutoffs are fluctuating, but competition is still there. Easier papers push cutoffs higher and tougher papers balance them out. Obvious hai ye to. Correct. So if the paper is difficult, then see here. This might have been a difficult paper. This might have been the most easiest paper, and this might have been somewhere in the middle. Got it? So let's say that, the cutoff trend that is behaving, okay, depends on the difficulty level. It's directly proportional to the difficulty level, correct? It's inversely proportional to the difficulty level, sorry. अगर आपकी difficulty level बहुत ज़्यादा है तो आपका कट ऑफ जो होगा वो थोड़ा सा कम जाएगा. So it's inversely proportional, okay? Now, your rank depends on relative performance, not just your score. This is very clear, correct? आपका overall performance कैसा होता है, correct? You can't just rely on that one particular number, cut off का एक नंबर दिमाग में पकड़ लिया और उसी को पकड़ के चल रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ठीक है? So, preparing just enough is risky in this exam. You need to कि भाई इतना कट ऑफ है मैं इतना ही प्रिपेयर करूंगी. This will not work. You have to aim for maximum marks because you don't know how the cutoffs are going to fluctuate. Okay. Now, the section has remained moderate in difficulty. It's not very difficult. It's not very easy. Okay. It's moderate. Okay. So, reading comprehension consistently forms the core part. But as I told you, RCs are relatively easier as compared to Indore exam. Grammar and vocab are going to be there. There is no chutkara from grammar and vocab. Okay. It's always going to be there for you. So obviously you need to have application oriented learning. vocab के application, grammar rules के application, reading जो आपने comprehension पढ़ा है उसके applications in the questions. So obviously the focus has to be application based. Now what has changed? We saw that the paper was relatively consistent, the sections were relatively consistent, but what changed? So it usually contributes around 8 to 10 questions. Grammar questions focus on error spotting and sentence improvement. Vocabulary includes contextual usage, but less. Contextual usage is less as compared to Indore exam. Idioms and fill in the blanks are also there. Para-jumbles and sentence-based questions appear regularly, but in smaller numbers. Like, in Indore exam, you can have 4 to 5 para-completion questions, 4 to 5 para-jumble questions. उतना ज़्यादा presence नहीं है, ठीक है? अब how should you approach VRC? You can't just rely on grammar, you can't just rely on vocab, you can't just rely on RC. Got it? Like in Indore exam, if you see, the major chunk was RC in 2025. 18 questions were there. Like this has not happened in Rohtak. Okay. So everything is, sort of equal weightage. है ना? Accuracy is obviously very important. Okay. And reading regularly is going to improve your comprehension plus your vocab also. Correct? So, reading is like, mandatory for you. It is going to be used in RC. It is going to be used in vocab also. Correct? And for grammar, you need to be very consistent in your practice. You need to have your theory clear before approaching the grammar questions. Now, how to improve your score? Okay? Attempting more question is not the point here because again negative marking is there. So we need to find that golden point. Okay, correct? कि मुझे कितने questions attempt करने हैं. But like we have seen a constant, golden number of 35 to 37 in IPMAT Indore exam, that can't be the case here because the difficulty level is also changing. The difficulty level is very fluctuating in this exam. Correct? We can see from the cutoff trends. So if the paper is very difficult, you need to hold out on attempting more questions. But if the paper is easy, you can move towards attempting more questions. Correct? So please focus on our accuracy. Do not keep a golden number in mind. You have to change that tactic here. आपको एक golden number mind में नहीं रखना है. आपको difficulty के हिसाब से decide करना है मुझे कितने questions attempt करने हैं. Got it? Avoid overthinking because most of the questions are factual questions and direct questions. Okay. In grammar, you need to clarify your basics. In vocab, you need to understand the application. Clear? So obviously, practice every day. Practice every day consistently till the day of your exam is going to give you good results. So in this case also, we have to follow the same pattern. We have to focus on accuracy, not on the number of attempts. Let's go ahead. Final takeaway. Obviously, skill based section है. आपको क्या क्या skills लगने वाले हैं? What are the skills that are required? Is reading, vocab, and application of grammar. Correct? Obviously, application is there in all the sections, but for grammar specifically, you need application oriented. Correct? So you need to focus on your understanding. करेक्ट, एंड यू नीड टू सॉल्व डेली प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस, जो भी आपके होंगे वो आपको डेली सॉल्व करने हैं, ठीक है। सो दिस इज इट फॉर रोहतक वीआरसी। सो हमारा फाइनल टेक अवे ये है, हमारे नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस डिपेंड करेंगे पेपर के डिफिकल्टी लेवल पे। डू नॉट हैव अ फिक्स नंबर इन माइंड, फर्स्ट थिंग। सेकेंड थिंग, पैटर्न मोर और लेस इंदौर जैसा ही है, बट इजियर लेवल पे है, इजियर साइड पे है। सो हमें पढ़ाई वही करनी है, ठीक है, पढ़ाई कुछ अलग नहीं है, जस्ट नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस जो है वो थोड़े से इधर उधर हो जाएंगे आपके। एंड ऑब्वियसली प्रैक्टिस शुड बी देयर एवरी डे, लाइक वी फॉलोड फॉर आईपी मैट इंदौर एग्जाम। ओके, दिस इज इट गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच।